What if I told you your kitchen might be secretly holding you back, not just from saving time, but from living a cleaner, calmer, more stress-free life? Sounds dramatic? Maybe. But today, I'm going to show you 7 Amazon kitchen gadgets so smart, so underrated. You'll wonder how they've been hiding from the world this whole time. And make sure to stick around till the end, because gadget number 7 is so powerful, it might just change your entire morning routine. Let's get started. Gadget number 1, the vegetable chopper. Let's face it, chopping onions is emotional warfare. Tears, uneven slices, messy counters, it's chaos. This all-in-one vegetable chopper slices, dices, juliennes, fast and mess-free. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or just trying to throw together a salad, this gadget saves you minutes every day. And trust me, those minutes add up. Think about it. 10 minutes saved per meal, 3 times a day. That's over 15 hours a month. That's peace. That's time for you. And here's the kicker. You'll start craving cooking just to use it. But don't get too comfortable, because the next gadget slices apples with such precision, it feels like it was designed by NASA. Gadget number 2, the apple slicer. Let's settle this. Have you ever actually sliced an apple evenly by hand? No? Same here. This stainless steel slicer cores and cuts apples in one press. 8 perfect wedges, every time. No effort, no frustration. Just clean slices in 2 seconds. Great for school lunches, snacking, or even baking. You'll wonder why you were ever fighting with knives and slippery skins in the first place. Bonus, it works on pears and potatoes too. Yes, versatility matters. Now that we've made fruit-friendly precision possible, let's talk about pasta. Because the next gadget brings Italy into your dorm room. Gadget number 3, the handheld pasta maker. Imagine making fresh pasta with your own hands, but without the mess, the kneading, or the grandma-level effort. This handheld pasta maker lets you roll and cut spaghetti, fettuccine, and even dumpling dough with 0 skill required. Just insert the dough, twist, and boom! Fresh pasta that even Nonna would approve of. And here's a secret. Homemade pasta cooks faster and tastes way better. It's not just cooking, it's an experience, a vibe, a flex. Speaking of precision, let's take it up a notch. The next tool isn't just smart, it's digital, and it could save your recipe from disaster. Gadget number 4, the digital measuring spoon. Ever ruined a recipe because you eyeballed the sugar or added a little extra salt? This digital measuring spoon gives you exact measurements down to the gram, right in the spoon. No need for scales, no clutter, no guesswork. Ideal for baking, fitness meal prep, or even coffee, it eliminates those, "Wait, was that too much?" moments for good. If peace of mind had a gadget, it would be this spoon. And now that you've got your ingredients right, let's protect the most important tool in your kitchen, your fingers. Gadget number 5, the finger protector. Knives are no joke, especially when you're hungry and rushing. One wrong move, and you're out of commission. This stainless steel finger guard slides onto your hand like a shield. You can slice, dice, and chop confidently without the fear of nicks and cuts. You're not just saving your skin, you're cooking like a pro. And it gets better, because the next gadget tackles the chaos of spice jars once and for all. Gadget number 6, the spice storage system. If your spice cabinet looks like a game of Jenga, this one's for you. This modular spice organizer keeps all your spices neatly arranged, labeled, and visible. No more digging for cumin in a sea of mismatched jars. The magnetic lids and rotating base make it feel like something from a sci-fi movie, and it frees up so much space, it's almost suspicious. Peace in your spice rack equals peace in your soul. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. This last gadget is a game changer, a daily ritual, leveled up, a lifestyle upgrade in one click. Gadget number 7. The home coffee machine. You know what hits harder than a breakup? Bad coffee. This compact home coffee maker brews cafe-quality drinks in minutes. Whether it's espresso, cappuccino, or a quick Americano, this little beast delivers flavor and foam like a $5,000 machine. Imagine waking up, pressing one button, and having your perfect coffee ready before you've even opened TikTok. That's not just convenience, it's a power move. And here's the twist. It pays for itself in a month. No more $6 lattes. Just peace, productivity, and premium taste at home. So, which gadget are you adding to your cart first? The smart spoon that saves your cookies, the chopper that saves your time, or the coffee machine that might just save your morning? Whichever one you choose, remember this: small, smart decisions stack up. They compound. Speaking of compounding, if you're ready to take that idea beyond the kitchen, click the video on your screen now